Hello again to the coding procedure. So in this video, we're going to talk about multiple nested decision structures. We will base our code on grading, test grades, with the output of A, B, C, D, E, F. That represents 90 above, between 80 and 89, 70 and 79, and 60, 69. Below 60 will be an F. So the structure will be similar to this. So once the user enters the test score, which we will ask them to input something, then based on their score, the program, the code will go through each of the arguments, if I'm stating that right, and then give you the output, which will be the grade. So as you could see, we're going to use an if-else statement function, whatever it's called. All right, so let's start with the code. And pause at this moment and try to work on it. If you can't, if you're just here to look at the answers, well, we'll give it to you in a couple seconds. So now, this is what we're going to start off. We're going to start off by creating main, and then we're going to ask the user to put an input, enter their score, test score in this case, and we'll call it a score. And they're able to put a decimals as their answer, as their input, so the float would be able to read it. Afterwards, we're going to call on a decision with a scope. So then we're gonna, within the decision, we're gonna ask if the score is 90 or above. If it is, then your grade is A. If it is not, else, if your score is between 89 and 80, then your score will be B. And we're gonna do this for grade C and grade D. And we're gonna call else. Else, if your grade is lower than 60, then the program will print your grade is F. So after we have done that, we will call the main function, which the decision is nested in the main function, and it will return the answer. Since we have 5 answers for different inputs, I've added 5 mains. I've called main 5 times. So we would see how it works, if it is correct. Let's run it, and let's see. Let's have 90. A, 80, B, 76, C, 61.55. Let me bring this up. Okay, 61.55 D, and let's go with 1.000000000, which is F. That is great. Hopefully we do not get an F. And I'll see you in the next code.